Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already done so, please click the subscribe button in the description box or below the screen or somewhere on the screen. I'll put a button for you guys to click. So before you watch the video, please subscribe. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this makeup look that I have right here. I'll take my glasses off. Yeah, it's just a little makeup look I decided to do. I'm like no makeup guru or anything. I'm learning still. I just really love eyeshadow and I've been buying a lot to experiment. And in this video, I actually used the Magic Mini by JUVIA'S Place. I've been trying to get my hands on a JUVIA'S palette for so long, and when I went on vacation, I was able to get my hands on one. If you're interested in how I got this makeup look, please continue watching. Hi guys, so I'm going to be using the Magic by JUVIA'S palette. I've been wanting to get a JUVIA'S palette, JUVIA'S Place or JUVIA'S palette for years now. And when I was in Florida, I went to Ulta and I was able to get my hands on the Magic Mini palette, and the colors are so pretty. They're colors that I wouldn't necessarily wear like on a daily, but I've been wanting to do my birthstone, like an emerald green makeup look, for a while, so I'm gonna try to achieve that look. And I'm getting inspiration from this Pinterest post right here. So the colors are not exactly the same. The green that's in this palette is a little bit brighter than an emerald green, but I'm gonna try a thing and hopefully it works out, and if it doesn't, I'm still gonna upload it as like a fail video kind of thing. So I've already gone ahead and done my eyebrows. I don't know if they're even, but whatever. I went ahead and did my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan. I use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Toffee 330 to set my eyes, like underneath my eyebrows. And then to prime my lids, which I already did, I use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I'm gonna get into this makeup look. As I've said before in videos, I don't know shit about shit when it comes to makeup. I kind of just do my own thing. Also, when I was at Ulta, I got the Morphe M330 brush. It's just a blending crease brush. And I got the Morphe M514. Yeah, 514 detail round blending brush. Now, I tried to do my research to see like if it can give me, you know, like more of an idea of what I'm supposed to use these brushes for, but it didn't. But I think this one is a lot stiffer, so I'm pretty sure it just adds more pigment to the crease. And then this is just to blend your crease out. So I'm going to use these two brushes. I'm going to use my Still Spa, just a regular eyeshadow brush. The number and thing rubbed off. I usually use that all the time. And then I'm going to use this stiff eyeshadow brush for underneath my eyelids. And it's pretty much all I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna hope that this makeup look turns out okay. So I'm gonna be looking down a lot. Hopefully my camera is at a good angle to where you're able to see what I'm actually doing. If my eyebrows look horrible, I'm sorry, don't roast me. It's been a while since I've done my brows. So I don't see a base color that I want to use from this palette. They're all a little bit dark and one is a little bit really, like it's a little light and ashy. So I'm going to use High Hopes from the ColourPop Good Sport palette. And High Hopes is just this lighter brown color. So I'm going to use that and apply it all over my lid kind of thing. I probably need to watch like more eyeshadow tutorials. I love doing eyeshadow, but I'm not a pro. I kind of just freestyle and hope that whatever I do turns out okay. What I want to learn to do next is cut crease. I've tried to do a cut crease before, but it was pretty much a fail. So this color is basically around the same shade as the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, just what I use to set my eyes. But instead I am putting it on my eyelids instead. And I have a LED vanity mirror here that I'm using if it looks a little bit brighter. So I think, I want to say this looks okay. Oh god. This primer is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little sticky, and it could be because I didn't blend it out right. Like right there. But it's fine. I think it looks okay. So now I'm gonna move on to, I guess, my crease. And in my crease I'm gonna use Zakia, this orangey color, and I'm gonna just hope that it looks okay, because I'm not exactly using, like, the color that's here is like a deeper dark brown, and that I would find in the Modern Renaissance palette, but I'm gonna challenge myself to use the colors here that I have, sorry. So I'm gonna do Zakia, that in the crease. So here's the color. The brush picked it up really well, looks really pigmented. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that in the crease. Not of the same. So like what I can see looks okay. And then let's see. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Boronu, which is this glitter, this gold, where is it? Yeah, this goldish color right here. I'm gonna go in with that, and on my lid over the brown. So pretty. Wow, are you vacuuming right now when I'm filming? I'm gonna take this brush by Sephora. It's an eyeshadow brush, but I'm just gonna use it to kind of fluff out my under my eye. I'm talking loud because they're choosing to vacuum right now. So this is pretty. It's a lot different than what I'm used to with the green, but it's totally giving me like Egyptian vibes kind of thing with the green. Yeah, connect that there. Yeah, with the green. I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyeliner because I can never do my eyeliner on camera. Ugh. Yeah, I can never do my eyeliner on camera without making a mess or looking funny. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera, and I'm using the Fly Liner by Fenty, and then I'm gonna come back and apply my lashes, my lipstick, do my highlights and all of that stuff, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm back. I went and did my edges and took my tie head off and popped in some earrings and stuff. So I'm gonna put my lashes on right now, and I believe these lashes are by Kiss, and they're the black wispy lashes. I wear these lashes all the time in my videos, and I'm gonna use my Duo lash glue. It's the best like eyelash glue that I've used before. I don't know if my eyeliner is like on point. I won't know until I edit this video. I kind of screwed up this one and had to take it off and put it on again. I probably can like fix right there actually. I don't know if that did anything. So got my lash glue. Middle, and then I just kind of use my finger. It's gonna be hard for me to apply it because my lash extensions are still falling out, but it's on, and that's pretty much it. I really like these lashes. They're my favorite lashes. So after I put my lashes on, I'm gonna do one eye at a time and then turn my camera off and do the other eye. Okay, so that's pretty much it after I added my lashes. For my bottom lashes, I used the Maybelline Push Up Angel Falsies mascara. The brush is just really fine. It's a really small brush. It works really well. It defines my lashes really well, even when I'm not wearing falsies. And now I am going to, I guess, do my highlight. So I have my highlight brush here, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Hustler Baby and Mean Money. It's the duo highlighter. I use this all the time. It's the only highlighter that I use because it just makes my skin look so amazing, especially because I don't wear like foundation or anything. It just makes my skin look nice, and I love putting it on. Much it for this video. I think I'm gonna do more like, I guess, eyeshadow looks. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do more eyeshadow looks or like makeup looks on my channel this year, maybe. But yeah, I really like it. I think it was cute. I think I executed my plan of making it like an emerald green eyeshadow look, and it just looks really natural, nothing over the top. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I need to practice to look in the lens. Okay, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.